the Hood River Cider Fest. Cheers! Hey, it's Allison here with Capture and Carry. We're at the Hood River Cider Fest, which is, of course, in Hood River, Oregon. You can see behind me, there's the river, Columbia River, right there, that's backing up to Washington State. So very, very beautiful view. With admission today, we get these glasses. Can you see that? Pretty cool. Cider Fest glasses. And then it was full of some tokens here. So we use these tokens to go around and try different ciders. There's a couple lines on the back. One token gets you up to here, 2 tokens up to here. So this is my first try. I'm trying the Imperial Strawberry. I don't know which cidery it's from.
Over there.
One of those. There's probably about 40 cideries here, which is pretty crazy. And some distillers, lots of food options, lots of vendors selling crafts that they make, that kind of thing. So kind of like a Saturday market, but also the cider. That's what it's about. So cheers. My glass facing the right way.